If your living room always feels tight, awkward, or hard to move around, it's probably not because the space is small, but because a few design choices are making it feel even smaller. Most homeowners buy furniture first because it looks nice, but they forget about movement and scale. So pieces end up eating valuable floor space, and the room feels cramped and uncomfortable. Watch until the end, because by fixing just a few layout decisions, you'll see how the same space can feel bigger without changing its size at all. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Start with walkways, not furniture. When furniture is placed first and walking paths become an afterthought, you keep bumping into chairs and tables. Instead, start by planning your walkways first, at least 75 to 90 centimeters of clear walking space, so movement feels natural and uninterrupted. Once those paths are clear, you place a tufted modular sofa that doesn't block it. Then you add accent furniture, keeping enough clearance around it. When walkways come first, the furniture finally fits the room, so even a small living room feels bigger. Use fewer, right pieces. In small living rooms, adding many small furniture pieces feels safer, but they compete visually, so the space ends up messy, restless, and hard to relax in. You might consider to choose fewer pieces with the right scale. One proper sofa, coffee table, one accent chair, and small side table are enough so the eye can rest, but the room instantly feels more open and balanced. When each piece has a clear purpose, the room stops feeling cluttered but starts feeling intentional. Float the furniture. Most people push all the furniture flat against the walls because it feels safer, but the room ends up feeling boxed in instead of spacious. Pull the sofa forward by 10 to 20 centimeters so movement around the space becomes smoother and more natural. Floating furniture creates depth and breathing space, so the room feels wider and more balanced. Keep furniture legs visible. If your furniture sits flat on the floor, it blocks the view of the flooring, so the living room feels heavy and visually crowded even if the space is clean. Furniture with raised legs exposes more floor area, so light travels across the room, but the layout instantly feels lighter, more open, and easier to breathe in. A wooden frame upholstered sofa, wood pedestal coffee table, and upholstered lounge accent chair. You're not adding space, but you're revealing more of it, so the living room feels bigger without changing the layout or size. Push storage up, not out. Wide storage cabinets sit on your floor, but they eat up valuable walking space, so your living room feels tight even when storage is still not enough. Instead of using wide cabinets that eat floor space, storage is pushed upward using slim mounted shelves. This type of storage gives you function without stealing walking space, which is exactly the point. Vertical storage pulls the eye upward, so the room feels taller and more open, but you still get enough space to hide clutter and keep the living room looking clean. Use one rug that fits the seating area. Some homeowners use a small rug, but it breaks the layout visually. It sits only under the coffee table, so the sofa and chairs feel disconnected. Because the furniture floats outside the rug, the layout looks broken and the room feels narrower than it actually is. One properly sized rug is placed under the front legs of the sofa and accent chair, so all seating feels tied together and the layout suddenly looks wider and more intentional. When the rug clearly defines the seating zone, movement feels easier, so the living room feels complete instead of cluttered. Layer lighting. Never rely on one light. If you only have one ceiling light in the living room, but it creates strong shadows in the corners, all the light comes from above, but nothing supports it, so the room feels flat and uninviting once the sun goes down. You layer the lighting with a recessed LED downlights and ceiling fan with integrated LED light for ambient lighting, slim LED picture light for accent lighting, and the fabric shade floor lamp for task lighting, so brightness spreads evenly across the room, but no single area feels harsh or dark. This makes the living room feel wider and more balanced, so even a small space becomes cozy, functional, and visually open throughout the day and night. Keep the TV wall simple. A bulky TV cabinet with closed storage dominates the wall and visually pulls the room forward, so the living room feels tighter and heavier than it really is. When the console is too heavy and wide, the entire wall feels cluttered and overwhelming. Instead, a wall-mounted TV paired with a slim floating console and a simple floating shelf keeps the wall visually light, so the room feels more open but still fully functional. By reducing depth and visual weight, the TV wall blends into the space instead of taking over. When you keep the wall simple, it stays light, so the living room feels larger without adding more furniture. Use curtains to add height. One of the most common reasons a small living room feels low and compressed isn't the ceiling height, but how the curtains are installed, so even a decent-sized room can look shorter than it really is. If your curtains are hung just above the window frame, but they visually cut the wall height so the ceiling feels lower and the space looks boxed in, you should mount your curtain rods close to the ceiling and let the fabric drop all the way to the floor so the eye naturally moves upward and the living room instantly feels taller without changing any structure. It's a small detail most people overlook, but once you fix your curtains, the whole living room instantly feels lighter and taller. Leave one corner intentionally empty. When filled with many items, a chair, plant, or shelf, the living room feels crowded and visually exhausting. What you need to do is leave one corner intentionally open so the space has room to breathe, but the living room instantly feels bigger and more balanced. Empty space creates visual relief, so your eyes can rest, but the furniture you keep suddenly feels more intentional and well-placed. A small living room doesn't mean a small lifestyle, but bad layout choices can make it feel that way. So once you fix movement, furniture size, and lighting, everything starts to feel easier. Good design isn't about adding more, but removing what doesn't work, so the space becomes intentional and functional. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.